Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena. And today we're gonna compare this three, the rear brake state. Okay, so let's open it and see what's the difference. Let's go. Okay, so here, if you guys see the video before, then you guys should know this two, the FRP and the silver carbons, we already did the compare video for this two already. But this year we have the 2020, the Japan Cup, the rear brake state for the black carbons. So today we're gonna do a quick compare and for all three all over again and see what's the difference between all these three. Alright, so let's start today's video. Okay, so for all three, the package come with the parts, the screws, spacer, or no matter, washer, everything. It's all are the same. Only thing different is just the FRP came with the pink sponge brake. But the other thing, it's a little bit boring, but I would say for this two, the paper it come with it, actually it's using the silver instructions. So this one you can see the bottom, the item number is 95125 and this is 95125. So the black one is still using the one came from the silver. So this is, I found out that to me at this time is kind of a lazy. Alright, so and next we're gonna see how thick all the three is. Okay, so first we're gonna test the FRP. So it's 1.6. Okay, and next will be 1.6 as well. And the black one is 1.7. So the black carbons is a little bit thicker than the others. And then we're gonna do a test about how strong the brake it is. But of course I'm gonna test by my hand. So here I will tell you what I feel after. So the first we're gonna test the FRP. Okay, next the silver. Okay, and next will be the black. Okay, so of course it's the soft to the strong is just also is like this. So the FRP is the soft, and then the medium, and this is the strongest one. So of course I think this I'm not having any question about it, because the black is always like much more stronger than the silver, of course also the FRP, and also this one is also a little bit thicker. So because remember this is 1.7, so there's I'm not even surprised about it. So next we're gonna test how heavy those are. All right, okay, so now we're gonna test FRP first. So the FRP is 3.93 and the silver is 3.48, and next is our black carbons. It's at 3.23. Okay, so the weights is still the heaviest one is the FRP, and then is silver the carbon, and then is our black carbon. So here's the tips. So if you have the exactly same type of the plates, if that's FRP, silver or black, the black is always like this one. Okay, and then of course next is the silver, and of course the FRP is the heaviest one. Okay, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.